In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Prestashop URL. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you understand every part of it and feel confident in making this adjustment. First, let's navigate over to the Prestashop homepage. From here, you'll want to locate the settings icon. It's placed conveniently in the lower left corner, a spot where many of the important settings can be adjusted. By clicking on it, we can access the section that allows us to modify various parameters of your shop. Next, we're going to click on Shop Parameters. This is a crucial step because it opens up a range of configurations that are essential for effectively managing your online store. With these parameters, you can personalize and control how your shop interacts with customers. After opening the shop parameters, look for and select Traffic and SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial for getting your shop seen online by potential customers. This is where you'll adjust critical settings related to your Prestashop's internet visibility, including URLs. Within this interface, navigate to the section labeled Set Shop URL. This is where the magic happens. It provides the ability to change the URL of your shop, a fundamental element if you're rebranding or simply want a URL that better fits your business identity. It's essential to choose a URL that is memorable and represents your brand effectively, aiding customers in finding your site more easily. Now that we are in the correct section, you can edit or change your Prestashop URL as needed. Make sure you enter the desired new URL correctly, as any mistakes here could potentially lead to problems with accessibility to your shop. Take your time to check that everything is typed correctly before proceeding to the final step. Once everything looks correct and you're satisfied with the changes, click on the Save button. This action confirms and applies your changes. Remember, the Save button is your best friend here. It ensures that all your hard work and changes are finalized and locked in. Congratulations! You have now successfully changed the URL of your Prestashop store. By following these steps carefully, you've taken control over a significant aspect of your online presence. It's worth noting that if you're switching to a new URL, you'll also want to ensure any marketing materials or links you've used previously reflect this change to avoid any confusion for your customers. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. Have a fantastic day, and best of luck with your shop.